Hello, my name's Becky Buttons with buttonmakers.net, and this video is just going to be a really quick return unboxing, or I guess a repair since I already unboxed it. I actually, this was a brand new machine that a customer returned because they said that the buttons weren't holding together and they couldn't figure out why. I tried to get them on a Zoom call, but we were having technical difficulties. It was very frustrating for my customer, so I just sent them a new machine and got this one back. So I unboxed it off of video because I thought for sure that nothing was going to be wrong with it, but then I tested it and I do see that there is a problem. Had I been able to get them on video, I would have seen this right away, but let me just demonstrate real quick what was happening. They went to load the parts into the machine, and then the handle isn't going down all the way. Now, you wouldn't know that if you've never made buttons before, and it seems like it's working. But of course, it's not working. Let's see if we can get this out of here now. Now it's stuck in there. Okay. All right. This is happening because, and you'll notice too that this handle is loose. That's why. I'm gonna do a close-up. I'm gonna switch the camera angle really quick and do a close-up here, but this handle is loose. This bolt in here is what is causing this to not go down all the way. So all we need to do is make sure this bolt, I'm gonna unscrew this handle, it's already very loose. Make sure the bolt is flush against the handle here and reattach the handle. Nice and tight. Boom. This thing is gonna work now. Ta-da! Just like new. Okay, so I went to get yeah, so this button machine is just like new again.